Good morning, all dear students. Today we will be discuss on topic redemption of preferences. Today topic. Myself, Dr. Mahinder Kumar Khardia, Assistant Professor, ABST, Department of Commerce, Government Lohia College, Churu. Dear students, topic of redemption of preferences is very important for you because your examinations paper first of financial accounting part of redemption of preferences. This topic also important in CA, CS and other competitive exams of commerce streams. Thus, all students are requested to note important note of this content and watch video at the end. Let's start today lecture. Redemption of preferences. The issue and redemption of preferences is governed by Section 55 of the Companies Act 2013. The Section 55 of Company Act 2013 is issue and redemption of preferences. The provisions of Section 55 related to redemption of preferences are follows. No company limited by shares shall after the commencement of this act issue any preferences which are irredeemable section 55 1. Second, a company limited by shares may, if so authorized by its articles, issue preferences which are liable to be redeemed within a period not exceeding 20 years from the date of their issues subject to such conditions as may be prescribed. Time period of 20 years from the date of their issue subject to such condition as may be prescribed, provided that a company may issue preferential for a period exceeding 20 years infrastructure projects subject to the redemption of such percentage of shares as may be prescribed on an annual basis. Options: preferential shareholders. Section 55 2. Provided that a company may issue preference for a period exceeding 20 years infrastructure projects subject to the redemption of such percentage of shares as may be prescribed on an annual basis. Option: preferential shareholders. Section 55 2. According to Rule 10, of the company's rules 2014, a company engaged in the setting up and dealing with of infrastructural projects may issue preference shares a period exceeding 20 year but not exceeding 30 year but not exceeding 30 years, subject to the redemption of a minimum a minimum 10% of preference shares per year from the 21st onwards or earlier on proportionate basis at the opinion the preference shareholders opinion of the preference shareholders, provided further that no such shares shall be redeemed except of the profit of the company which would otherwise be available for dividend or out of the preceding precedes or praise issue of shares made for the purpose of such redemption. Section 55 2b. Profit of the company which would otherwise be available for dividend or out of the proceedings from praise issue of shares made for the proposed of such redemption. Section 55 2b. Thank you very much.